In this method, each multiple is divided into multiples of 10. That is, we have 30 can be written as 30 plus 2. So we will write here 30 and we write 2 here. And 17 is divided into 10 and 7. So we have 30 when multiplied with 300, it will give us, so when 30 is multiplied with 10, it will give us 300. 30 multiplied with 7 is 210, and 2 multiplied with 10 is 20, while 2 multiplied with 7 is 14. In the last step, we will add all these numbers. So we have 32 when multiplied with 17, it will give us 300 plus 210 plus 20 plus 40. So when we all add all of these, it will give us 544. So this is the answer. In this method, what we are going to do is we will take the first, we will write 1 here and we will double it to, double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 16. So sorry, double of 4 is 8, double of 8 is 16, double of 8 is 32. We will now we will I have reached up to a point where 32 have been here. On the other hand, we will write multiples of 17. That is, we will write 17 in the first column. Then we double it. 34, 51, sorry, 34, 68. After 68, if we double it, it will give us. So here we have, this is 272 and doubling 272 will give us 544. In the last step, 32 comes here as we have to multiply 32, and 32 when multiplied with 16, 17 gives us 544. Now this is the case when 32 comes in agreement with it. Now we will start with 17 multiply with 32. When we multiply with 17, we will take here 1, double it, 2, double it, 4, double it, 8, double it, 16. We can go above 17 here. On the other hand, we will take 32. 32 when double is 64, when double is 128, when double is 256, when doubling it, it will give us 512. Now here in this case, we will take numbers which will take us to 17 when we add them. So 16 plus 1 is 17. Therefore, on the other hand, we will add the corresponding numbers, that is 512 when added with 32, it gives us 544. This is our answer.